front of your car. If you go all the way down, this is where the sensor located at in Acura TSX 2009. And I got this socket, I rented out actually for $30. And now I'm gonna start pulling these things out after I unplug this from right here. It was a tough one. I tried hard a little bit to open it, but it was a little bit clogged, so I used some olive oil a little bit and put it around to get it out, so hopefully that will work. Alright, sounds like the olive oil trick works. I was able to do it. Oh, Leo, look at this. There's nothing left of this sensor. Woo! It's black as eggplant. You got the sensor, look at it. It's bent so bad, so well, I hope it's the cause of the problem that I'm having. The store I bought the sensor, and it's denso for Acura TSX. I hear that it's very sensitive, so and this is a new one, as you can see. And we go outside and put it in place and see what's up. I put the wire back, as you can see right there. Moment of truth, I still have the check engine, so let's see. The check engine. Let me try to clear the reading and see. After I deleted all the codes in here, so I need this one definitely, so I went here and I erased all the codes. Okay, this have been erased, so back, and now I can see it. There is no check engine anymore. Well, I hope that's it. No more pain. P for pain. And wish you luck. Yeah, I mentioned before, so I rented this socket from O'Reilly, and once you return it back, like they will refund you, so you don't need to buy this socket for the auto sensor. You can just rent it out and return it back to the